Hi and welcome to Guitar Classes for Kids, Day 2. Let's jump straight in and we are having fun today.
Guitar for Kids with David Aldridge.
If you are watching with or without a guitar, there's something that you can learn right now. I'd like for you to meet my best friend, Bumper, who will help in today's lesson. See how many times you can see Bumper in today's video. There he is right now. Clippity clopping, clippity clopping. So you're probably asking, clippity clopping? I've never heard of that before. What's clippity clopping, David? So, with clippity clopping, there's a right way and there's a wrong way. Okay, so I call this clippity clopping because some of my students who I teach, the beginners, when they're strumming, they go too far on the down strums and also on the up strums. And the guitar pick hits the front of the guitar and it makes a clippity clopping sound like this. So that's the wrong way to clippity clop. Now the right way, what we're going to use today when you learn the clippity clopping song, is we're going to use those words to help us to get the strumming and the rhythm correct. Just like this, clippity clop, clippity clop. Clippity clop. So this first step is going to be how to hold your guitar pick. And if you don't have a guitar pick yet, you could just use a coin. Okay, just follow along with me. We're going to pinch our fingers like this, like a crocodile. And then we're going to place the pick in between our fingers, like that. Now, we only want a little part of the pick showing. So what I do for my students who I teach, the children I teach, I draw a little line like this on the pick. And this just helps to remind them whereabouts they should hold the pick. Now if I bring that in front of the camera, you can see that. Perfect, okay. So we're just making sure that we're holding the pick between the thumb and finger and it's up to the line we have just drawn. Remember, you can pause and rewatch this video as many times as you'd like. Okay, so now we're holding the pick. I just want to quickly jump in here and tell you who I am. I'm David and I help boost kids' confidence, one note, one song and one lesson at a time. If this video is helping you right now, consider subscribing to the channel. You are helping to support future videos just like this one. And isn't it true that we all need a little bit more self-belief in what we are learning and trying to achieve on our path to our dreams? Okay, so we have a down strum. And this is where we go down towards the floor, like this. So we're strumming or gliding across all the strings, like so. Just follow along with me, and we're doing some down strums. Okay, don't do this. Don't go through the strings too slowly like this. That can feel a little bit random. We want to make sure we're getting through the strings like this. And look out for the clippity clopping. We don't want to be hitting the front. We want to make sure we're keeping the pick really close to the strings. Okay, so now you know how to down strum. Pause the video if you need to and practice that a little bit. I'm going to show you how to use an up strum. Okay, so we're going to take the pick and we're going to go up towards the sky like this. Just follow along with me and you're doing great. And we're playing slow, but we're going fast through the strings like this. I wonder what we could do next. Ah, yes. Okay, we're going to practice going down and up. So we're going to go down and then up. Down and then up. Okay, just keep following along with me. Yes, you did it! Fantastic! And that's exactly how we strum a guitar. Are you excited to now learn the Clippity Clop song? Are you as excited as me? Okay, here we go. Have your guitar ready and your guitar pick. And here we go, the Clippity Clop song. Hi, it's David here, and I am really excited to tell you about these books that I've wrote for children learning to play the guitar right from the beginning. So we have this one, which is Guitar Start in 30 Days, which is the perfect 30-day challenge for children. And each day, a really nice lesson unfolds and it never feels too difficult. So we just take steps over the 30 days and then you can play 10 songs. So that's Guitar Start in 30 Days. You can get this book right now on Amazon and literally have it by tomorrow. Let's learn guitar together. And this is the perfect book for parents, grandparents and children learning alongside each other. From all the children I teach, the ones who succeed the most are the ones who have that support from parents and grandparents. So this is why this book was written. You can learn 20 songs, and it also talks you through all the different skills you'll need to learn to play guitar. And there's a few characters along the way. These books are printed in full colour, which I find really strange that some books, kids' books, aren't. So I go that extra step and you can get these books in full colour, which just makes it really engaging for you and your child. So these are great, and there's duets in these as well to play along with your child. So those are the couple of books you could literally get tomorrow. Also inclusive of the books that are in this book, you can visit my website and you can get demonstrations of me playing each song, all 20 songs. So you can literally hear how they sound and how the two different parts play together. So that will help you and your child. By purchasing these low-cost books, it really helps me to keep this channel going and make some more awesome videos for you guys. So if you could purchase one of these low-cost books just to help out, and we can build this thriving community of kids helping children achieve their dreams and learn to play guitar. So the Clippity Clop is down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. And bumper is going to help out as well. Okay, here we go. Clippity clop. Clippity clop. Clippity clop. Clippity clop. Okay, let's keep going. And that's the correct way how to clippity clop. Alright, I hope you had fun today. I had a lot of fun playing the Clippity Clop song. And you're learning some great guitar skills here. And I hope you're enjoying this 5-day course. Come and join me in lesson 3, where you'll learn spider fingers. come and join me right now, and I look forward to seeing you in class. I'm so proud of you for doing the work today. I'm so excited for you. I'm privileged and honoured to be your teacher today. Remember, believe you can and you will.